Hey guys, today I'm going to show you two different ways to draw a gear. I'm going to do it in two different videos. Here's the first one. Eclipse, hold the control button down, left mouse, drag it out, perfect circle. Hit the plus sign, duplicates it, throw your cursor over it to get you into resize mode. While you have your cursor over it, press and hold the shift key, left mouse, drag it inwards. You're going to want to select both of these, simplify them. You're going to want to get rid of the middle. No middle there. That's where the shaft would go through a gear. Now we're going to create a tooth. Perfect rectangle. Control button, left mouse, drag. You make that whatever size you like. If you want to reconfigure the dynamics of the gear, round off the edges while it's highlighted, go to your shape tool. You can bring in the edges. You can round it over. You're going to want to center this tooth with this circle. You click on an item, you get an X in the middle. Click on it twice, you'll get a dot inside of the circle. We want to click on it once, drag it down, it'll snap into the center. Click it again, press and hold your control key, left mouse, and drag it up into a straight line. If you need to make any further adjustments as far as its height goes, while it's still selected, you can use your up and down arrows on your keyboard. Click it once, click it again. Again, now you've got the center of rotation, which is what you need. You're going to grab that, you're going to bring it down and center that point of rotation with the center of the circle. While that tooth is selected, hit the plus sign on your keyboard. You just duplicated it. We want that tooth to obviously duplicate itself all the way around this wheel. And you'll notice up here is your angle of rotation. There are 360 degrees in a circle. I've seen some people come along and grab that copied one and just move it to anywhere. And notice we're at 338.4. The way to get the teeth to go all the way around, once you've got that second one selected and then move to where you think you want it, is to press and hold the control key and press D. While you're still holding the control key down, keep pressing D. The problem with that is we come to the end of the run, the last tooth and the first tooth, the spacing is not the same as the rest of them. I'm going to press and hold control and keep hitting Z and back out of what I just did. Knowing that this is still my selected gear, my secondary copy, I'm going to click it again and get it back in rotation. Press and hold your control key, left mouse, and you can see what's happening to my numbers up here for rotation. I have my computer set to snap at every 5 degrees. So if I grab that, press and hold my control key first, left mouse button, and pull it over, you're going to see my numbers are going to change to 355, 350, 345, 340, and so on. And this is what you need to do. You need to obviously snap the teeth on a equivalent of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, whatever. Once you do that, you get that second one moved, press and hold the control, and D all the way around. In that case, it didn't work either. We're going to back out of it. We're going to reselect it, control. So now we're going to go to 325 rather instead. $335 instead. Control. We'll go to 340. Control. Perfectly symmetrical around the whole unit. Once you've got that established, select them all. You're going to simply weld them together. And there's your gear. From there you can add your colors. You can do your extrusions. Do whatever you want. That's one way of doing it.